Okay, I think we're live. There's a delay in the chat. Hey Mohammed, what's up, man? I think people will start joining in the next few minutes. We have 13 seconds. I'll just put the link in the chat. So whoever wants to take part, you can take part in the chat. Oh, I haven't liked my own video. Oh no 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 no! Damn it! The hell! Okay, so anyone who's here, again, we're going to do the same challenge that we did last time. We have this contest, and if you register via my link, then you'll be able to be in the pool of people who will be up for the challenge, and whoever has the highest score will win a Amazon voucher from my end. So you can register. Won't people cheat from here? They have plague checkers. No worries. Yeah. So anyone who has the highest rank from my end will get the Amazon voucher. So you can register from my link, and if you have the highest score, then you'll win an Amazon voucher. And you should definitely register because the competition is not too high, so you definitely have a good chance of winning. So register before the time runs out, and let's take part in this. Let me write this again. Ah, fuck. Damn. I needed to pin this. Okay, let's wait for the contest to start. So till the time the contest starts, if you guys have any doubts, you guys want to talk about anything, you can let me know in the comment, and I'll be sure to answer anything that you want to ask me. So any doubts you guys have, anything you want to ask, we have time till the contest starts. So you can let me know in the chat. Okay. So again, if there's anyone new, we're holding a challenge where people who take part in the Geeks or Geeks contest via my link will have a chance to win an Amazon voucher. We had this a week back, and we had a great participation. A lot of people came. So you have one more chance today to take part in this contest, and you have a chance to win an Amazon voucher. And like I said, the competition is not that high, so you have a very good chance that you actually might win this. Last time there was some guy who solved, I think, two problems, and he was the winner of the last time. So again, today you have another chance. You just need to register in this contest and take part. So we still have 6 minutes left. Till then, if you have any doubts, anything at all, we can talk about that, and then we'll start the contest. Okay, so we have 5 minutes. Hi, hey guys, hey Sneha, hey Adventure. I think there's a huge delay or something. Stream state. Hey Venom, how do you manage your time for a job with YouTube? Yeah, it is a little bit difficult to manage job with YouTube, but I take out time for YouTube whenever I'm free. It's a passion, right? And it's basically for me, it's like when someone does like drawing or anything like that. So I find time for that. Hey Mayur, so I guess we have some people who might have registered. Oh, I think it is 85, right? I have the wrong name. This is 85, I think. Safe. Okay, guys, so the contest is about to start. You can register in the contest. Hey, Tanish. Keep it up, bro. Had nice interview with you. It was nice to have a talk with you too, Tanish. So, guys, we're holding a challenge. Whoever has the highest score via my link in the contest will win the giveaway. So you guys can register via the link. It'll be amazing. Last time also we had a lot of fun. We did it last week as well. So you guys can take part and let's see. The contest is about to start. Sir, your videos are great. Thanks a lot, Mayur. Thanks a lot. Means a lot to me. Okay, guys, there's only 1 minute left, but you guys will be able to register even after that. That's not an issue. Make it 1 lakh voucher. I cannot afford that yet, Shahrukh. I don't have enough money for that. So you guys can register even while the contest is going on. Register, let's take part in this and let's see how it's going. I wanna join, but I have my end sem exam tomorrow. Ah, that's alright, Mayur. You can join and even solve one problem if you have time. If you don't have time, then it's alright, no issues. Sorry. Okay, so I think it started. So the contest has started, guys. Let's get to solving problems. Let's see who solves the highest this time. Whoever solves the highest will be able to win an Amazon voucher. Again, you guys can take part even now, even while the contest is running. You guys can take part to be a part of the giveaway. So you can take part with the link which is pinned. You can check from the chat above. Take part and let's see who has the highest score. Coding problems. Oh, people have already having submission. Let's start with prefix subsequence that has the highest accuracy. So you're given two strings s and t of length n and m respectively. Find length of the smallest prefix of s which is not a subsequence of t. If no such prefix exists, return -1. So I think I've seen this problem before, isn't it? This is a common problem, I think. So this is what, if you practice a lot of problems right, you'll be able to see a pattern in the problems, especially in the string problems. So this is something that happens in the string problems, right? That if you solve a lot of string problems, you'll be able to see a pattern because they cannot have too much variety of problems. So most of the problems are pretty much just a like variation of the other problems. So you guys can start solving. This problem is, I think, easy. I think it's the easiest problem. So you guys can start solving this, and if you haven't registered, register right now and then start solving, and then let's see. So let's see what we can do for this problem. So we'll have a answer variable. We'll have a for loop for I. So the length of s is n and the length of t is m, and we want to find the length of strongest prefix of s which is not a subsequence of t. So we want to find in t the smallest prefix of string s. So we want to check the prefix of s which is not a subsequence of t. So eventually we have to find in t itself. So you guys can make it like this problem can be like optimized. Like obviously you can just follow brute force by finding all the prefix and comparing it to all the subsequent, or you can just optimize it. So let's see. So what we need is if answer less than n, and of answer equal to 5, then answer plus yeah. If answer okay, after that the highest submission is in trees and array. So let's solve this. Trees and array. Shashank again, challenging you again to solve all questions in 20 minutes. You learn 5 subs. I cannot do that, Shashank, because I have to keep the stream alive for all 1.5 hours, right? So I cannot solve all the questions in 20 minutes. Even if I could, I don't have the options to do that, Shashank. I need to keep it interesting. That's why. But you can take part, Shashank, and you let me know how many you solved. Let me give you a challenge. You solve two or three problems and you'll win the Amazon voucher. There's a bit of lag, I think. Let me ask someone. So anyone solved any problem till now? It's only been 5 minutes, but anyone solved any problem? Okay, let's get to the second problem. So if anyone, okay, no issues. So anyone was able to solve any problem? Rosie, are you taking part? Rosie was able to solve two problems last time. Venom was also able to solve two problems last time, I think. So if you guys are able to solve the problem, let me know in the chat which problem you were able to solve. And in case you have not yet registered, then please register. The link is pinned, and whoever wins from my subscribers will win an Amazon voucher. So now let's get to the next question. Also, if there's anything else you want to talk about, anything, you can let me know in the chat. We have time, so we can talk about anything. So anything you want to ask, if anything is there, just put it in the chat box. And now I'll just go to solving the other problem. So tree is an array. Given a tree containing n nodes in the form of an array P, where P of I represents the parent of ith node, P of 1 is equal to minus 1 as the tree is also given to arrays of size n A, which contains only positive integers. And then we have to find the maximum path sum from root to leaf in such an arrangement. Okay, so no one solved any problem till now? Not yet? Okay, let's solve this problem and then we'll see. Stream health is good. Perfect. Okay. Can I ask some other? Yes, Manoj, you can ask any doubt. Yeah, Manoj, feel free. Yes, Manoj, yes, you can ask me. No one talks, replies. Hi, bro, how are you? I'm great, man, I'm great. How are you, man? How's it going? I'm awesome. I'm in dilemma that in what domain I should do the project in machine learning on web development. So Manoj, I highly suggest that you go with a project in web development unless you have a passion for machine learning. So if you don't have a passion for machine learning, I don't think it will do you any good. Web development is something that is used everywhere, right? No matter which company you go to, it will definitely require a web development. So you should web developer. So you should definitely go for web development. Try to find a project which encompasses both back end and front end. Make a project like that, and you'll basically have a project which will be impressive to a lot of companies. So unless you're passionate about machine learning, I would not suggest machine learning. I would suggest web development. Pushin is asking, can you make a DSA playlist for us? So I'm glad you asked that, Pushin. What I'm planning to do is I'm planning to make videos on data structure and algorithm from now on. So I'll have one video which will cover the entire data structure or the entire algorithm. So I'll have a playlist. So for example, if I'll have a recursion masterclass, and that'll have everything about recursion. Likewise, I'll have one video on graph and on every data structure and algorithm. So definitely I'll be making a DSA playlist. So keep in touch with my channel and you'll be able to get to see that. Okay, now time is going, so let's solve this problem. I think I've figured out something. Let's try. And you guys also try this problems, try solving the problems, and if you haven't registered, register in the link and you'll be able to get a part of the giveaway. Okay, so anything else you guys want to ask me? You guys can ask me, there's no issue. So anything you want to ask, anything at all, you guys can ask. And let's solve the other problem till then. So even as I'm solving the problem, you guys can still put the question, put your questions in the chat, okay? So it's no issue. Anything you want to ask, anything at all, you guys can put in the chat. Whenever I look at it, I'll answer. So we'll need a vector. So whenever there's a tree or a graph, you always need a vector of to keep track, right? Usually you need vector for vector, but here I think we'll be okay with the vector. For int I is equal to 1, I less than n plus g of p of I, because p is the vector which is containing the parents. Because I plus 1 is the node of p of I. No problem, Manoj. Vamsi is asking, can you do in Python? Vamsi, I don't know Python, to be very honest. I'm not good in Python. I know only Java and C++. So I will not be able to use Python here. Also, you guys also solve the problems. Anyone solved any problem? Let me know in the chat. So anyone solved one problem till now? And if you haven't, please register. The competition is not that high. You can definitely win the giveaway. You can definitely win 1,000 rupees Amazon voucher. And if you've solved any problem, let me know in the chat. So we're dealing with 10 to the power 9 here. So we should take long. dp n plus 1 vector long k plus 1 Foreign. dp of v of 0 is equal to maximum of dp of v of 0 Okay, so I think some people have already solved a problem. Gaurav says yes. Pushan has also solved prefix subsequence. Very good, Pushan. Manoj has asked a question: should I intern in algorithms under the guidance of my college professor, or should I just make the project and focus on self study and preparation and all? So, if your college professors are good, so if you have good college professors, if you feel like you'll learn something there, then definitely you can go towards that. But what I would suggest is that you should make a good project, focus on self study, and then you can apply for internships on your own, or you can do side by side. If you feel like you have enough time, you can do side by side. You know, so it depends on you. But what I suggest is have a really good project, then prepare DSA, prepare problem solving, and start appearing for the companies. So we have 15 concurrent viewers. To all the new viewers, I'm holding a giveaway challenge. So I'll just pin a new chat. And register here. Okay, this is good enough to chat, I think. To pin to chat. Here we go. Okay, let's get back to solving. In case anyone wants to ask anything, No problem, Manoj. You can also connect with me on Instagram. So this is my Instagram handle. In case you have any doubt about your placements, about your internship, about anything, in case you have any doubt, you can connect with me on Instagram. This is my handle. I've put the handle in the like chat. So you can connect, any of you, if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on Instagram. I'm not on LinkedIn. Let's get to solving. Oh, just prevented a compilation error. Seems like I made a mistake somewhere. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's get to the. Okay. Hey Ash, what's up man? हेलो भैया कौन भैया यार Tree formation. Given a tree containing a nodes in the form of an array. Oh, so the representation is pretty much the same as the other question. So, anyone solved the second problem? Or how many people solved one problem? So, whoever solves the problem, you guys can put in the chat which problem you solved. So, we can see at the end, like, who had the best score. Aditya solved the first problem. Great, man. Awesome. Try solving the other. Others are a bit difficult, I think. First was easy, right? Oh, Pushan solved tree and array. Nice, Pushan. Awesome. This time, I think Pushan will be the one taking the lead. Okay, so we still have a lot of time. So anyone who hasn't registered, you can register and you can still take part in at least solve one or two problem. Or even if you want to ask anything off topic, anything, then feel free. We have a lot of time. We have 50 minutes till the stream ends. So anything you want to talk about, anything you want to share, anything you want to tell me, anything you want to ask, feel free and put it in the chat. We can talk. So if there's any new viewers, if anyone joined new, you can take part in the giveaway, and you can even talk to me. You can ask me anything, anything you want. What's your rank, Pushin? Oh, Pushin has second rank. That's awesome, man. I suck at dynamic programming. Let's see if we can debug this. Okay, you guys continue. I'll be back in a minute. I'll be back in a minute. You guys continue. Okay, I'm back, guys. So Aditya Sharma is saying second left. So Aditya, you did the first one. Viewer activity, analytics. This time we have 137 views already. We did better than the time before, right? So how many you guys solved? Aditya solved one, I think. Pushan solved two. So Pushan, did you solve the third one? Pushan is doing good today. Where's Venom? Venom didn't come today. Venom and Rosie didn't come today, I think. Last time they were the ones who had the highest uh, rank, the highest score. Okay, let's see. So, guys in chat, if anything you guys want to ask, feel free to ask me. How many questions are okay? So Sneha has asked a question. How many questions are enough to get placed generally to feel confident? So the confidence part depends on you, Sneha. A lot of people like solve like 500,000 problems even before they get confident. A lot of people solve 200, 300 problems. So it totally depends on you. You try to do as many. You try to do as many. Yeah, exactly. It's never about how much questions. It's about how like well you're able to understand the topic. So for example, if you're in recursion, right, then you can solve as many problems as that you like it leads you to feel confident in recursion or in the particular topic. So you try to solve as many problems till you feel confident. I cannot see Venom today. So I hope that answers your question, Sneha. Anything else you guys want to ask about placements, about interview? If you have any doubts, we have a lot of time so we can talk about anything. You're welcome, Sneha. So, anything else? So, Aditya is asking, tell me something about yourself. It's my first time here. Why does it feel like I'm in an interview? So, Aditya, I'm a professional. Uh, okay, so I make videos about DSA, competitive programming, problem solving, topics like that. I have also about interview experiences and all. So, my whole channel is about placements. So if you want to get placed, if you're looking to get placed in a company, in a good company, then you can follow my channel. My channel will have all the content regarding that. Okay, so how many did you guys solve? There's only half an hour left, I think. There's half an hour left. How many did you guys solve? Let me know in the chat. And anything else also, feel free to ask. Rosie and Venom both didn't take part this time. I was looking for Venom specially. I think he replied hi in the beginning. Maybe he's solving problems. Rosie also didn't take part today. Rosie was able to solve all three problems last time. Trees and errors में रन टाइम एरर ट्रीज एंड एरेस में मेरा भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है ट्रीज एंड एरे में मुझे भी कोई एरर आ रहा है इन माय अप्रोच व्हाट अप्रोच आर यू यूजिंग पुशान व्हाट इज योर अप्रोच TLE for trees and array. Trees and array is the most difficult amongst these, I think, right? Like I solved first and third, but second one I'm having such some issue in. But I don't have time to debug because I also have to like engage the stream as well. So Sushil, you did the third one. Like try doing the third one. The third one is easier, I think. Like according to me. Most of the people are having issue in trees and arrays only, I think. So you guys solved the first problem, right? In case you haven't, try solving the first problem. It's a like classic problem. You would have seen a variation of that problem like everywhere, so you can try. Okay, so we don't have a lot of time left. Try to solve as many problems as you guys can. So, should we do an experiment? Like, you guys have heard of ChatGPT, right? Should we try to see if ChatGPT can solve one of the problems? So, if you guys want to see ChatGPT, let me ask it in the chat so everyone can see. Let me know if you guys want to see. Okay, so I think everyone is busy in solving the problem. Still, let's see. Also, like, don't leave the stream before 8:30. Like before leaving, after the contest is done for you guys, just put in the chat how many you solved, and then like we can decide who had the best solution. So don't leave before telling how many problem you solved, and mention your rank also. Once the contest is done for you, mention your rank and your score in the chat box. So there's only half an hour left, but still, if someone is joining new, you can still take part in the giveaway. All you need to do is register via my link, and you will be a part of the giveaway. Even if you solve one problem, you have a high chance of winning the giveaway. So for even for newcomers who are coming new to the stream, join the contest. You still have half an hour, which is I guess more than enough to solve at least one problem. Okay, let's see. And before leaving, please put in the chat your rank and how many problems you solved. Okay, I guess more people are still coming. You guys can also tell your performance in the chat. What approach did you use? So Pushan and Sushil didn't tell their approach yet. But let's see. You guys can also share your approach if you want. Okay, new people still keep joining, I think. So still we have a lot of time. Anything you guys want to ask, we can just hang out, chill and talk about anything. The contest still has a lot of time. A lot of people took part this time, right? Leaderboard has 600 people. Sneha wants to see if ChatGPT can solve these problems. Anyone else wants to see if ChatGPT can solve these problems? We can try right now. If more people want to see if ChatGPT, the AI, is up for solving, then let's see. Let's try to feed this to ChatGPT then. ChatGPT is at capacity right now. Right, on it. What is this? Why is this happening? Like, what happened to OpenAI? Ever since a few days only, this is coming. OpenAI. I guess everyone is using ChatGPT now. Ever since that happened. Okay, so we have more viewers now. You can look at the pinned comment for the stream. Refresh 5 times. Aditya is saying to refresh 5 times. Okay, let's try that. One, two. And it'll work. Okay. Aditya, how many did you solve? You solved two? We don't have enough time for that now. So, guys, you can put in the chat again how many questions you solved, how many you had. Okay, Aditya solved two also. Great, great, amazing. Twelve minutes left. Most of people only had 65 around marks. Okay, guys, seems like I need to go somewhere. So I'll be ending the stream in the next 2 minutes. So before I go, anyone want to ask anything? Then let me know. So I'll see the pool of viewers who are my subscribers, and from that I'll see who has the highest rank. Based on that, I'll award the giveaway. So I'll be going and ending the stream now. So before I end, the stream has already been running for 1.5 hours. So before it ends, before I go, if anyone wants to ask anything, if there's anything you guys want to ask, then feel free to put it in the chat. And then after that, I'll end the stream and I'll go. So if you guys want to ask anything, feel free. So let's wait for 2 minutes to see and then we'll go. Pushan only 2 done. No worries, Pushan. One problem was very difficult, I think. Tree and array. This is your Geeks for Geeks. Okay, I'll take a look at it. Okay, so I'll be going now. Let me write this. Pushan is saying second one is an error. No worries, Pushan. Try to debug it if you can, else it's okay. Even solving 2 in this was a good performance.